Hey, what's up, Facebook? I just wanted to show everybody the renovation we've been working on. This is the end of week 3 and it is all finished. So I'm just gonna walk you through it. This is in Slidell, Louisiana. So what we did here on the porch was some exposed or some rough cut wood. We wrapped these beams and stained it this light brown color. We did the same color on the door here. It's like a mahogany door. So here's the living room. You know, replaced the ceiling fans, painted everything. Clay knocked out this fireplace. I think it looks really cool. Got the raw wood beam mantle with the big granite slab. You notice some little staging trinkets just to give it more of a homey feel. Here's the kitchen. We went ahead and ran the floor all the way through the kitchen because we just didn't like the tile color. We thought we were gonna have to paint these cabinets, but they're in such good shape and they actually go pretty well with the color, we think. So we kept them. Replace this granite. Here's the laundry room. This is like a 14 by 14 laundry room. It's huge. You could probably section it off and have a nice little office over there. That's what I would do. Rear yard access. This rear yard has a cool deck. It's like a 20-foot by 10-foot deck that we pressure washed and cleaned it up. Cool little spot to hang out here, outside. And we'll check out the bedrooms real quick. So we did this flooring throughout the entire house, minus the bathrooms. But, you know, just a bedroom. Nothing special. Changed all the ceiling fans in the whole house. Painted all the doors, all the trim. Changed the toilets and the fixtures, some old towels. Here's the master. The cabinets in here were in good shape too, so we just painted them this navy blue. I think that looks really cool. We need to get a shower curtain on there, but yeah. So that's it. That's the flip. It was 3 weeks. We wanted it to be 2 weeks, but that's all right. And we are putting it on the market tomorrow. The picture guy's coming today. And yeah, we're ready for the next one. All right, thanks for watching, guys.